In this lecture, we'll study about different type of mean like arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So first come to arithmetic mean. So the arithmetic mean is the sum of all the numbers in a data set divided by the quantity of numbers in the set. Okay, so it's very simple. Arithmetic mean is also called as average of set of numbers. So the arithmetic mean denoted by x bar of a collection of n numbers from a1 through an is given by the formula arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to, so this summation is nothing but sum of all the numbers divided by the total number of numbers, that is 1 divided by n, or in simple it can be written as a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to, so here there will be plus an divided by the number of quantity. Okay, so that is n. So come to a simple example. What is the arithmetic mean of 3, 14, 25, 10 and 48? So very simple, here we have n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 number of numbers are there in this data set. Okay, so we have mean is equal to sum of all the numbers 10 plus 48 divided by 5. Okay, so now we'll find out the sum of all the numbers, that is 3 plus 14 plus 25 plus 10 plus 48 is equal to, this is nothing but 100. Okay, now divided by 5, so this is nothing but 20. So this is the answer, we got it here. Okay, so now come to the next example. If the arithmetic mean of 5 numbers, here the 5 numbers, okay, 2, 3, 9, 15 and a is 4. What is a? So here we have to find the value of a here. Okay, so here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we have 5 numbers. Okay, and mean is given already in the question, so 4. Okay, now we have to find out what is a. Okay, so it can be written as mean is equal to, so we have 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 9 plus 15 plus a divided by n is nothing but 5. Okay, so it can be written as x bar is nothing but 4 here. So this is nothing but, we have 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, it is 29, 29 plus a divided by 5. Okay, now let us solve this for a. So we have 29 plus a is equal to 20, and a is equal to minus 9. Okay, so this is the answer, we got it here. So it's very, arithmetic mean is very simple, you can solve this kind of question. Okay, now come to what is the geometric mean. For n numbers, multiply them all together and then take the nth root. Okay, so let's suppose there are 3 numbers, then we multiply all the numbers and we take the cube root of all the multiplication of those numbers. Okay, so the geometric mean of n numbers from a1 through an is, geometric mean is equal to, first we multiply all the numbers a1 into a2 up to an. Okay, so there is a multiplication here, then you take the nth root. Okay, there is the nth root of those multiplied numbers, then we'll get the geometric mean. Come to one example. What is the geometric mean of, so 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Okay, so there are 5 numbers are there. Okay, so let me write down geometric mean in short form, and gm is equal to, so we'll multiply 1 into 3 into 9 into 27 into 81, and we take the 5th root because there are 5 numbers are there. Okay, is equal to, so it can be written as We know the fifth root of 1 is 1, so no need to write 1. So this is 3 into 9 is nothing but 3 square into 27 is nothing but 3 cube, and 81 is nothing but 3 to the power 4. Okay, so it can be written as, this is 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is nothing but 3 to the power 10. Okay, so when you solve this one, so this is nothing but fifth root can be written as 1 divided by 5. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 to the power 10 divided by 5. So this is 3 square is equal to 9. So this is the answer. Got it here. Okay, similarly, come to example number 2. What is the geometric mean of 10, 51.2 and 8? So there are three numbers there. So geometric mean is equal to, here we'll find out the cube root of these numbers, 10 into 51.2 into 8. Okay, so here we get 10 into 51.2 is equal to 512 into 8. Okay, so 512 is nothing but 2 to the power 9 into 8 is nothing but 2 to the power 3. Okay, so this equals to, we have, this is 2 to the power 9 into 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 12. Okay, so this is equal to, you can write it like cube root can be written as 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 to the power 12 by 3 is equal to 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So this is the answer. So in this way you can find out the geometric mean. Okay, come to next, that is called as the harmonic mean. So the definition is, the harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocals. So we just try to find out the harmonic mean from this right hand side. Okay, first of all you find out the reciprocals of all the numbers, then you find the average of those reciprocals of numbers, then again we find out the reciprocals. Okay, so come to the definition here, sorry, come to the formula here. The harmonic mean of n numbers from a1 through an is, okay, first of all we find out the reciprocals of all the numbers. Okay, so here we'll find out the reciprocals of all the numbers, that is 1 divided by a1, then we sum it up. Okay, 1 divided by a2 plus and so on 1 divided by an. Okay, now we'll find out the average of those reciprocals, sum of the reciprocals of those numbers, that is n. Now again you find out the reciprocals of this average, so this n will go to the numerator and this sum will go to the denominator. So this is the answer here. Okay, so this is the formula here for the harmonic mean, n divided by sum of the reciprocals of all the numbers. Okay, so come to an example here. What is the harmonic mean of 1, 2 and 5? Okay, so here n is equal to, very simple here, n is equal to 3. So let me find out harmonic mean. hm is equal to, we have n is equal to 3. Okay, now 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 5. Okay, so this equals to, so here in the denominator, so here we have the LCM as 10. So this is 10 plus 5 plus 2. So this is nothing but 3 divided by, this one is 17 by 10. Okay, so this is nothing but 30 divided by 17 is equal to, okay, so let me use the calculator here. 30 divided by 17 is equal to 1.76. Okay, 1.7647. So this is the approximate value. Okay, so this is the answer here. Okay, similarly come to another example number 2. What is the harmonic mean of 2, 4 and 6? Here also we have three numbers are there. So harmonic mean is equal to 3 divided by reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 plus reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4 plus the last one is 1 by 6. Okay, so we have the LCM in the denominator is 12. Okay, we have 2 6 are 12, 6 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12. Okay, so we have here 6 plus 3 9, it is 11 by 12, or this equal to 3 into 12 by 11 is equal to 36 by 11. Okay, so let me find out the 36 by 11. Okay, so this is nothing but 3.2727 is equal to 3.2727. so this is the approximate value. Okay, and this is the answer. So in this way we can find out the arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean of set of numbers. Okay, so arithmetic mean is very simple, that is the average, in the simple language. Geometric mean and harmonic mean are slightly different, but it can be easily calculated by the given formula. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.